Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Bafana 1, Cameroon 2. It hurts me just saying that. Did we deserve to lose? No, I don't think so. We didn't play badly. But I knew we won't win the AFCON. I didn't expect us to be knocked out so early. We could have beaten Cameroon. Now, let's go to the starting lineup. Starting lineup, playing a 3-4-3, not a bad system. We had chances earlier on. The reason why I knew we wouldn't win the AFCON is because all the things that I've been complaining about for Bafana, they happened. We don't take our chances, right? We don't take our chances, and we are bad with defending crosses or set pieces, and we like to do unnecessary mistakes, unnecessary things that cost us the tournament. Now, going back to yesterday's game, I'm gonna show you Cameroon, the gameplay yabo. Bebangekho labantu laba, guys. Cameroon bengekho. Thina nje siyasflopela nje on our own. I'm gonna show you why we conceded the 2 goals and the goal lethu la kaMakgopa. Let me start. Inhliziyo yami ayikho right, but sizawuthini. I'll quickly show you the game plan Cameroon and then get back to izinto ezibalulekile. This is what they wanted. Long balls behind the defenders. If you go back to my previous video of Cameroon, that's what they like to do. They like to play the ball behind the defenders. Another clip, Cameroon. Watch this guy. He tells the guy Kichima, but it ends up being what? A throw in for us. Now they fast forward, watch again. It's not even a minute. They get the ball, they do the same thing again. They get the ball from the back. They play long. We defended, I wouldn't say we defended this very well because their passing was bad. So everything was okay for team in terms of the gameplay here. Remember the 2 goals that they scored against Mozambique. No, the 1 goal that they scored against Mozambique was to play the ball behind the defenders. So we managed it very well. Everyone is complaining about Hugo Bros. Mara, if you look at the first 15 minutes of the game, we had 2 chances. We score 1 goal and everything changes. Akekho umuntu okhuluma ngama chances that we missed. Here's the first one. Keeper Simnandi. Police. Lento engihlale ngiyisho ukuthi our biggest problem is not taking our chances. When you play against quality teams, you have to take your chances. Imagine if besikorile la, because the first 20 or 30 minutes of the game, Cameroon bengekho. But the moment that they scored, igoli eliphuma nje out of nowhere, igame iyachange. Now manje sekumele senzeni thina? Akumele si-attack ball. But bona bebangekho. Had we taken this chance, game bezoba njani? Na yenye yes2. Mara bafethu. Mukwena, this was a lovely run, this one here. That was a great run. Mara, shy target. Bafethu, just think about, we had 2 chances. One was a full chance. This one, okay, it's a half a chance. But Not even a one is a shot on target. Not even one. Labantu laba bashaya engakhi ipalini. Bayakora. Thina siyamisa. Imagine if we had taken one of these chances. I always talk about ukuthi thina sithanda ukusifaka under pressure nje, unnecessary. When senze izinto nje ezidom, then we put ourselves under pressure. Before I show you goal, the first goal le Cameroon, going to show you other goals esizenzile unnecessary. Amanye ama-goal esiwaconsider unnecessary. Now watch this. Foul. Sisifaka under pressure, siyenza ini? I-free kick. Free kick phakathi, inside. Egypt versus South Africa. Siyadlala kumnandi, then siyenzani? Siyenza izinto unnecessary. Isandla ebusweni. Penalty. Now, back to Bafana versus Cameroon. Ngiyaphinda futhi. We like to put ourselves under unnecessary pressure. Watch Ungezana. Uyaphile nebhola because uyazivalela. Play the ball to the keeper. Beka ukuthi wenzani? Ushaya itamaya. What are you doing? Now we are under pressure. We can't play out because bammakile and naye umakekile. He can't come here azothola ipass. We end up doing what? Sikhahlela ibhola phambili. Boom. Okay, sharp. It's our ball. Wenzani? Isandla ebusweni. Umuntu who did that bathola ipenalty. Wenzani Ungezana? Isandla ebusweni. It's a free kick. Now we gave away free kick unnecessary, right? Unnecessary free kick. Corner kick. So maybe uyazibuza ukuthi why am I showing you this? Because abakoranga nge-free kick. But isibuze wena ukuthi had we not given away a free kick, bebazoyithola i-corner kick na? Just ask yourself that question. There was no need for us to concede a free kick. That's why we conceded the corner kick. After the corner kick, kwenzakalani? Bayakora. Cameroon was nowhere, bafethu. Okay, sharp. As analyze Lana, this is the guy that ends up scoring the goal. I can't blame Awas Lapaya because he went to go and press ukuthi block iball. But ngiyaphinda futhi guys. Thina we like to do unnecessary things. Sisifake under pressure. There was no need for Ungezana Lapaya ukuthi ayenze lento ayenzile. Yeah, abanye beni nizomkhulumela ngoba niyamthanda, but the fact is a fact. Second half, guys. Yo, Hugo Bros. I've always said, if you don't have the best team going into the tournament, then you need a great coach. Hugo Bros is not a great coach. He's just a good coach. Because when it comes to game management, making decisions that will change the game, yamhlula. The moment that they scored the second goal, you are supposed to bring out Ukipe, one center back, and Ukipe the guy Ukabini, Jongo Fagumuti. As for how long you played with 7 defenders, people who are defending. I'm counting the 5 defenders and the 2 central midfielders. They were defending. That time he scored 62-0. Okay, sharp. Now let's look at the goals. Now, unnecessary foot. Okay, yeah, let's go. So they scored from, I wouldn't say a corner, but this leads to a corner. Just watch this. It's our ball. Man, we lose it unnecessary. Okay, we end up back to, he tries to do what? He tries to press. Okay, maybe there's, no, there's nothing wrong. He tried to win the ball. But I would have preferred him ukuthi abuyele ku-position yakhe, because the ball was up. But watch what this guy does. This guy plays England. Umukwena is ball watching. Ball watching because he's out of position. Maybe akajwayelanga ukudlala i-right back. But I would have preferred uMudau. Maqeda ukulose ibhola, then go back to your position. Wasave uMbokazi futhi. Okay, sharp corner kick. Now we defend the corner kick. Okay, let me take it back. Sengiyajaha. Corner kick. Tell defender, I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna bring it back. First time cross, phakathi. Phakathi, inside. Now let me take it back. I want you to look at Ipola elethu, but look at these two. Especially uMukwena. Bayagijima. You cannot as a central midfielder udlula umuntu ophethe ibhola. Mase lose ibhola lapha, who is going to defend that ball? Angithi umsebenzi wakho as a central midfielder is to defend the box or is to defend the defenders. So what do you do? Udlula police. Yes, I understand Ulael Foster. Foster is a striker, so he needs to run there, Pambi. But Umukwena, okay, sharp. Then Umudau, what kind of a clearance is this? That is not a clearance. That is not a clearance, Bafethu. Kahle libhola khona sizokhona ukurecover kahle, push it up. But when you want to pass, we end up losing the ball. Let the bengisho ngoTebogo Mokoena. Yabona ibhola likuphi? Selimdlulile. Now wenzani? He chases. Laba bayi-2 Jehovah. But you can't really blame them. This was a great a great cross. Just watch. This was a great cross and a great finish. Mara, with all the things that I've said, we like to do unnecessary things. We don't finish our chances and we don't know how to defend crosses. Zonke lezi zinto lezi, they happened in one game. And senzani, we are coming back home. The boys are coming back. Ayikho indaba yabo. Before the tournament started, I spoke about as a striker, when the ball goes wide, you need to make a run between the defender and the keeper. You make that run with first pole. Watch what Umakgopa does. This is actually nice to see. Watch Umakgopa here. Even though the ball does not come to him, by him going to his first pole. When you go to the first pole, you're always creating. When you go to the first pole, you're always creating a space here. Creating a space. Yes, he could have got the ball and scored here, but we decided to play the ball there. Now here comes the goal. Watch the goal. Watch Umakgopa. Look at where is Umakgopa. He makes that run into the first pole. Into the first pole. Into the first pole. Lento bengiloke ngiyipreacher. As a target man, or if you find yourself in that space, You make that run there, but it was too little, too late. Hugo Bros, I know abanye bazothi akahamba. No, just let him go kahle. Akahamba yocoach World Cup. He got us to AFCON, gayi-2 kulandelana. He got us to World Cup. Let him go and coach the World Cup and then bese retire kamnandi. You know, he did well for South Africa, but he couldn't take us to the next level. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga. Please subscribe bafethu. Ngiyabonga.